Welcome back to This Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete an invoice in Xero. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Xero, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Deleting an invoice in Xero is a straightforward process that might want to do because sometimes if an invoice was accidentally created more than once, deleting the duplicate can help your records clean. This is very important because if an invoice was issued with incorrect details, for example, wrong amount, incorrect customer information, or wrong date, it needs to be removed before issuing a corrected invoice. Now, it's a lot easier to do this on the desktop application and on the web. All you're gonna do is hover to the dashboard or account that you are currently working in. I'm gonna click on this one and the guide, and then you see this is gonna be my invoice that I wanted to delete. Now, this invoice was issued and entered incorrectly, and obviously the information here no longer applies to any transaction or customers. So I wanted to delete this to avoid any clutter. Now, it's a straightforward process because once you have so many invoices here, you will be able to see all of that. Okay, and then all I'm gonna do is click on the upper right corner and there's gonna be an option that says delete. All right, you see there's gonna be a pop-up that once you delete this one, it can't be undone. All right, now if you are unsure about the impact of deleting an invoice, it might be worth consulting with your accountant, your boss, your client, or even if you're working with multiple freelancer or a Xero advisor to ensure compliance with accounting standards and practices. And of course, make sure you have the necessary permissions to delete invoices in Xero. For example, you're just one of the collaborator. If you can't do that, you might want to ask permissions. All right, because deleting invoices can affect your audit trail. It's often better to avoid or credit the invoice to make a complete record of changes. Now, say for example, you're having problems deleting a specific invoice here on the your account. I suggest you go here at this section wherein just type in your question to see if you get an answer. All right, or simply hover down below, contact Xero support. And once you get a hold of one of the support staff for Xero, tell them you are having problems deleting an invoice here on Xero. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.